Put my pillow up and up. Okay. All right.
No,
Better?
like that.
Like what?
Like this. Turn around.
This way?
Turn around.
Turn
Like
around.
this. Wait my hand for me.
Oh, I can't turn that away, honey.
Mama?
That'll hurt Mima's neck.
Mama.
Mima's already got a headache. What, honey?
What you do is calling me?
Hmm?
What you was calling?
Oh, no.
On my phone.
I wasn't calling anybody on the phone.
Why you was doing that?
I don't know. Maybe taking a video. I don't know.
Yes.
What do you see?
A video.
Of what?
The video. Of us making love.
Mm.
Trey. Mama.
Mm.
Mama.
What, baby?
Yeah. Don't need this? No. No.
Oosh. You sprayed that in my face. Okay, I think that's enough water.
Mama.
What, baby?
Ha. No. Ha. Mama, that's it.
Mm-hmm.
Stay tuned for Handy Manny.
Ew.
Disney Junior. Boys and girls, monsters of all ages, get ready for
Does that hurt?
No,
starring Henry Monster and his amazing monster pit.
Why don't hurt?
because Mima's got a tough head.
Competition.
Mima's got a real tough head. That's why.
Why have water here?
Because I'm a girl.
But no matter who wins or loses, just remember.
What, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
It's a awesome new Henry Monster. Friday night at 7, 6
Mama.
Disney Junior
What, baby?
Channel.
What do you see?
It's time for Disney Junior
See
Special.
Elizabeth?
Dad.
Disney's Mickey Mouse
You see
Clubhouse.
Christian?
Quest for the Crystal Mickey. New on
Dad.
DVD. It's Mickey
You
Mouse
see
like you've
Mima?
never seen him before.
Mama. Yes, I see you.
You see me? Do you see Elizabeth now?
Yeah.
In Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Quest for the Crystal Mickey.
Mira, don't move it. Leave it alone.
You can see me.
Christian, don't. Here, jump down before you fall on Mima.
Up to Mickey defines.
Thank you. Come here, Austin. Put Mima's makeup on.
Can you
Huh?
solve the
Come here and put
puzzles?
Mima's makeup on.
Escape the villains and survive the secret traps?
Dad. Mama.
Bye.
Disney
Dad.
Clubhouse Quest for the Crystal Mickey.
Mama.
Available on Disney DVD, including stickers and Mickey's Treasure Map game.
Mama.
See you next time.
Dad. What? What, Austin?